they also don't have money to pay. Most of my payments are pending, and yeah, it's pretty hectic right now. There's lockdown going on, and it's all chaotic outside. So yeah, it's pretty bad right now.
And how has that like affected your life? Like, how are you managing your life?
So it has affected my life a lot because this is the only thing I want to do. Like photography is love and passion for me. And as there's no work, there's a lot of mental stress because I was hoping that nothing will go wrong and things will be fine. But it's pretty bad right now. And the thing about managing, I had some savings. I did few shoots before the lockdown, and I saved up enough to survive a lockdown. And yeah, I didn't ask money from parents because I know it's hard for them also. But yeah, I'm still trying to manage. I have some savings, and yeah, paying rents, paying my bills, and trying to survive. Yeah.
Rolling.
So like, are you trying to stay fit like during this lockdown?
Yep, trying my level best, but then again, cigarette is a bad habit, and it all started from lockdown where I had nothing to do, and I just thought I'll give it a try to like release all the stress. But then slowly it became a habit, and I think it's time to quit cigarettes. Yeah, but yeah, fitness though I did a little workout. I started working out. I joined gym, but then again lockdown ruined everything. All the gyms were closed, and then again laziness came back. Same routine of lockdown, and yeah, still stuck with cigarettes and trying to be fit.
So like, as a photographer, what do you feel is like that one thing? What's that essence for you?
So it all started with me doing photography and being around nature, as there was a huge forest behind my school, and it all started there. So yeah, first when I started photography, my Facebook page was named Nature Snapshot, like being around nature. But then it turned into Nitin Photography as I slowly developed and I was around people, met thousands of people on shoot. I was just around people and I lost the essence of silence and nature around. But when lockdown came and I was around nature and silence, it made me realize that it's time to get back to how I start from silence and trying to enjoy how things were silent and nice. Also, people around in the same small rooms, stuck inside their houses, are trying to motivate themselves by going for a walk, by like jogging and working out and spending time with nature. That is something which motivated me to just look around and capture whatever was happening around me because I love silence and I need to get back to silent places and more meaningful things which don't sound loud but can be seen from the eyes. So yeah.
Do you feel like being creative has like come like to a full stop, being stuck inside four walls? And if so, like, what do you do or what do you observe to like find that thing again, find that motivation?
So yeah, staying around four walls just messed up my mind because I was seeing the same things again and again and nothing was changing. So I think it was a chance to step out and look what's around, and I could notice a lot of people hustling in their life. I could see people working for Zomato, people trying to cook food for others. I could see my building caretaker like enjoying his day playing games and spending time with his family. I could see my friends who are staying in the building trying to cope up with their college, trying to study, trying to write their exams, which which did motivate me to do something with creativity and try to observe more and more so that I learn and grow even though there's no much opportunity around me. And yeah, everything around me, all I could see was just people around doing their things, people trying out new ways to live and motivate themselves. And people did play a major role. I could see people working out, jogging, playing badminton, playing cricket, playing football, which kind of motivated me because I am also a football player and I was really missing out on sports and playing football. But yeah, hoping everything will come back and we all will be able to play together again and like learn from each other, grow with each other. And yeah, I think people did play a major role